Today's video is about doing what's right, not what's liked. I'm Jane Lauterbach with The Purpose Works. And I found that in working with so many different kinds of people across so many different kinds of industries, that the thing that makes those people like a great leader, different from just a regular leader, is their ability to overcome fears. And there's all kinds of fears that we have, whether that's the fear of not being good enough, the fear of not having a degree, the fear of maybe quitting my job and not really quite sure that what I'm pursuing is going to work out, that fear of failure. And what's really interesting is that most of the time, being in a very strong leadership position, we've got to make decisions all day long that aren't going to make everybody happy. That's part of our responsibility. And how do we make those decisions in such a way where there's a sense of respect, there's a sense of care, and that if you were on the other side of that decision, how would you feel about it? How are you being treated and when these decisions arise? And so mostly we need to make those hard decisions, and often many times it's not about being liked, it's about doing the right thing. And so leadership also isn't about making a decision where someone's the winner and someone is the loser. It's about calling out a wrong and working together in a mutually beneficial way, in a mutually respectful way to do the right thing. And if you're not quite sure, test your motive. If the change isn't true, is it faithful? If it's not helpful, then abandon it. There's always going to be a way that you can find a solution. But what you need to do is be decisive, hold yourself and others accountable in the best way possible. That's what doing the right thing is. Doing the right thing is in fact being liked. Because if it's about making something better, if you can tell the truth, create the right communications and the resilience to fight for what's right, then you are doing the right thing. And in the end, it is about being liked because it's about doing something that's better. We hope you found this video of value. Please share it with others, and we always welcome your comments. And remember, purpose leads to better.